Introducing this 2014 Toyota Sienna LE conversion van. Offering a VMI NorthStar automatic in-floor ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 engine and around 47,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door and ramp will stow or deploy. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2014 Toyota Sienna LE conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.